If you love sprinkles and you like cookies, you have to try homemade sprinkles cookies recipe. The soft and chewy sugar cookies are so easy and so delicious, perfect for a festive occasion. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. So, let's start it. We need half cup of softened unsalted butter, half cup of white granulated sugar, and mix all together. Then add 1 egg room temperature and mix it up very nice and creamy. This looks good. Then mix together the dry ingredients. 1½ cups of cake flour, or you can use all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt. Add the dry mixture into our bowl and mix it up again. Add 1 tablespoon or more of your favorite sprinkles and mix until combined. My cookies dough is all combined. I use an ice cream scoop. Spread the dough on a baking sheet. Add some sprinkles on top. Then chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes. After that, bake in preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes. My cookies are ready. Let this cool completely and enjoy! They are so colorful and inside they're nice, soft, buttery and chewy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.